Wow, what a cake! Oh, this is for you girls. Whoever draws better will get it.
Cool!
It's time to start.
Super! We will need black dough for the contour. And now, strawberry and raspberry fillings.
Cool. Yeehaw!
No, chocolate is better. Time's up!
Already? Okay. Let's put the pancake on a plate, I guess.
Okay.
Okay, let's do this.
We got a cake!
Bravo, girls! You both win!
Cool! Hooray! Congratulations, Wednesday!
Wow,
Thank you!
looks great. Come here, Bat.
And I have a heart and a unicorn! Yum, yum, yum!
Awesome.
Cool!
Rock, paper, scissors!
I've won.
Wow!
Oh, man!
Oh! We need a flying Pikachu!
Yes, this is your new prize. You'll get it if you draw it well. Don't even think about it.
We'll see about that!
I have to win. What hand? Is Anna's better?
Oh, hey!
Well, I get it.
What?
But that won't do. Let's think of something. Oh no. Girls, finish. Oh no.
Look at my Pikachu! How do you like it?
Great, Annan. Wednesday, show me the drawing.
Uh-oh!
Are you sure that's what you want? You're welcome. Oh, what a nightmare! The winner is Enid.
Awesome!
Hooray! I've always dreamed of a Pikachu!
Of course it's yours, darling.
Cool!
Thank you! Let's fly, buddy!
Not here.
Oh, man!
Cool.
Get it!
It's her own fault. Girls, look what I have.
What a cutie!
Get started. Excellent.
It's turning out great! Awesome! And some green!
But I'm already done. Let's see what Enid has.
My chameleon will be the most beautiful!
So, Hand, let's do some pranks. Hey, Enid. Hi.
Hi!
Did you turn off the stove? Wow. Enid, look.
What?
Time is up. Yeah, time's up. Super. And here's my drawing. Oh, what are you going to show Enid?
Now, let's… Oh, wait a minute! Why did my pancake bake? Oh,
Oh, no!
This is no good. Wednesday has won. Finally. You get this chameleon. Super. It fits perfectly into my image. Awesome.
Oh, really?
no! Hooray! A new round!
Draw a dress. Get started.
Come on!
Wow! What a miracle!
A terrible dress. I won't draw it. I'd rather read.
What?
Oh, come on, Wednesday. Well, I'll do it anyway.
What, Hand? Don't even try to persuade me. Hand. I don't care. Whatever.
Oh, pink dough is what I need for a chic outfit.
That's it. Show me, Enid.
With pleasure.
I don't like it.
How? But why?
Don't know. And what is this? Wow. And that's great. Wednesday has won. What? No, don't. It's yours. Catch it. What an abomination. I can't stand pink. What a fragrant pizza. This is your new assignment.
An amazing smell.
Get to work, girls.
Easy. I love pizza. Let's do this. I'll draw peas, tomatoes, olives, and dough. Yoo-hoo! My pizza is ready. Look at that. Wednesday, what are you doing?
I wanted to find out what you would draw and make it cooler. I'll draw the dough first. And then I'll outline it. Ta-da! Perfect.
Is that it?
Of course not. I'll draw all the ingredients separately. Some tomatoes. Some greens. Okay, guys, show me.
There.
Great! Here. An empty pizza? This is strange. And you've won.
Wow!
Wait, you don't understand. Here's my pizza. Have you seen it?
Wow!
Awesome!
Okay, I'm changing my choice. Hooray! Congratulations, Wednesday!
I want it too!
I love pizza. You will be eaten. Great.
Cool!
I want it too! And I also have a slice of pizza! It's delicious!
Oh, what a small portion of Hooba Booba!
And I have an average portion of sweets. Whoa!
Wow, this is the biggest serving of mint jelly in the world! Did you see this? And what is that? Sorry guys, but I can't wait to try my gum. So great! It's very tasty and you can inflate a bubble. Cool.
All right. That's nothing special. I'm next. Okay, let's go.
Wait, can I be next, please?
Okay.
Oh well, I'll give in to you.
Thanks, Kenny.
Yummy!
Wow, what a delicious thing. Look at that. How cold it is.
Yummy!
Whew. It seems that I have a new superpower. It's icy breath. Look!
Cool, and it's getting colder.
Yeah, save me. I'm frozen from the cold. I can't move. Hey, I think I overdid it. Sorry, guys. These cheese noodles are so small. Whoa, Ashley was luckier. That's right, and I'm very happy about it.
Whoa, don't believe my luck.
Oops. Is he going to eat noodles? Okay, you start. Oh, what a fragrance. I'll eat it with chopsticks properly. Wait, what? Why doesn't come out? Come on. Oh, what is it? I'll eat it without chopsticks. This is delicious.
Girls, I'm fine. Oh my god, Roxy, it wasn't a dream. I got a giant noodle pack!
Shh. Calm down. You still have time to enjoy it. Now it's my turn. Let's try. Ooh, I didn't expect it to be so delicious. It's a blast. So good.
How about ketchup?
It tastes better this way. These noodles have an amazing cheesy taste. And I don't want to spoil it with ketchup. Why? Is it already gone? Okay, who's next?
My hour has come. Hooray! Come on, girls. I want to keep having fun with ketchup. Unlike Ashley, one cheese flavor is not enough for me. I want to add as much ketchup to the noodles as possible so that it becomes brighter and mega cooler. This is a pleasure. I've always dreamed of it. By the way, I don't have a simple fork. I have a gadget that can wind noodles super fast. The main thing is to have time to put it in my mouth. And the second hand will help me in this. I'm thrilled. It seems that I have not eaten all my life to prolong the pleasure now. Yummy!
Hey, it looks like Kenny has gone crazy. That's for sure.
Oh, it's amazing. What? Wait, I just started. It couldn't have ended so quickly. Oh, girls, how funny you are. I'm sorry, I got carried away.
Isn't this yours?
Oh, yeah. Thanks. I hope you don't mind if I finish my portion like that.
Oh, yeah, no manners.
What a cola! Look at that!
Yeah, it's made of marmalade. That's a joke. Whoa! This is incredible! What luck!
And you can barely see my coat because it's so tiny. And it's better than nothing anyway. Okay. That's cool. I'm enjoying every bite. Oh yeah. Hey Ashley, leave it to me. Come on, this is mine.
Okay, I still have a whole medium-sized Coke here. And I can do whatever I want with it. First, let's cut it in half. And now, let's divide it into these stripes and then cubes. See? Look at my idea, wasn't it fun? Okay, let's try. So cool! It's the first time I've tasted marmalade with such a taste. It's very unusual. Hey, Kenny, what are you doing here?
Okay, I get it. Ouch!
You've already eaten your marmalade. Let me enjoy it to the fullest. Aw, so delicious.
Yummy!
I want to eat all of it at once. Oh, finally. I was already counting seconds until I can try my super mega cola. What a delicious meal it is. Yeah, I love it.
Yahoo!
Well, girlfriend, it's time to take the label off of you.
Ta-da!
And try and see how cool you are inside. Oh, and I've got a beautiful idea. Let's pour it all into the biggest glass I have. Ugh. Yeah, that's not that easy. Well, that's fine. Now I will melt everything with a hairdryer, and it will turn out into a gorgeous drink. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's so appetizing. Oh, I can't wait to try. Oh, yeah? I think it will be even tastier than before. Let's continue. To be honest, I thought it would take less time than it actually is taking. Almost done. Ready.
Whoa.
Hooray! It's time to try what I've got. Ugh. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh, yeah. It's even tastier than before now.
Yeah, we want to try it too.
Calm down, people.
It didn't work out. Whoa! Come on, Roxy. She drank it in one gulp.
Yeah, it was amazing, guys.
Yummy.
Hey, don't even dream about it.
What a bummer.
This is the smallest portion of fizz I've ever seen.
And I have an average portion of sweets. I just love it. Whoa.
Hooray, I got the biggest portion and it's going to be cool. Ashley, you're the first. Good. Well, let's see what happens. Huh? How do you like my mini fireworks? Well, that's it.
Ouch! Right into my eye. Come on. Well, let's try my Pop Rocks. It seems the fireworks are starting. Let's see. Huh, it's very cool. I like it. I wonder what happens if you put the whole bag in my mouth. Well, get ready. Ah! Oh no. I think it's out of control now. Sorry.
No way, not that! All the fizz is spilled on the table! Oh no! Save yourselves again!
Oh goodies, too many fireworks! Is everyone alive? Well, look at what a show we gave. Your ticket? Great! And what is this? Animals are not allowed on the plane!
Oh no, I can't leave my rabbit. An idea. I'll hide it under my head and no one will see it. Cool idea, right?
Give me your dog! He'll wave her ear! Next!
Here you go. I'm not breaking anything.
It's okay. I'm going to check if you have animals. You can't fool the scanner. Let's take a look. A rabbit! He's not allowed on board. Look at the sign.
Oh, don't take him away, please.
Don't worry. Nothing will happen to him here. Now, come on in.
Oh, what a pity. I'm going to cry now.
I think I have an idea. Hello! And who's under your hat? I don't have anything. Although if you add a little magic, a passport and a ticket will appear. Wow! How did you do that? Is there anyone else? It seems empty. Okay, come on in. Thanks. What a trick!
Please go on the plane. Oh, how mysterious.
Oh, hi! I have a surprise for you.
What's there?
It seems you forgot your friend at the entrance. A moment. Ta-da!
Wow! How's this possible? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Your ticket? You can get on the plane. Thank you. And where are you going?
Hello?
I have something for your baby. What? A dog instead of a child? How is it even possible?
I'm sorry.
You won't fly anywhere.
Whatever you say.
Oh, the things they come up with. I'll keep the rattle for myself.
Here's my ticket.
So let's see. Just a minute. There are no animals. You can go.
Thank you.
Wait! You have a guinea pig in your backpack! That won't do. Animals are not allowed on the plane. Is that clear? Get off the queue.
Oh, that sucks. Not allowed with animals, but I have a frog. What if I hide it in a book? A great idea. It's a good thing I brought a knife with me. I'm going to carve out a place for my buddy and we'll fly together. Like that.
Hey, be careful!
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Hello, Frog. Do you like my idea? Sit here quietly and don't move. Hello, here's my ticket.
I'm fine, bud. Let's see.
Oh, right.
It's okay. You can get on the plane. Have a good trip. Nobody saw it.
Hello, welcome on board. Cool. My idea was a success. Oh. Everything is fine.
Awesome!
And my frog is fine too. You can come out, my friend. Good job. What? A frog on the plane? Take it off me!
Here's my ticket.
Oh, how are you there?
There you go. What? You have a parrot? You can't go with him. He'll stay here until you return.
Oh, how so? Oh no!
What?
Did you hear that? Animals are not allowed. What about our chameleon? An idea.
What? Oh, okay. Please?
Oh, thank you. Can I go?
Of course. All the best.
Let's hide it under the blanket.
I've got it.
Okay. Hello? My brother broke a leg, so can you let us through?
Oh, I'm so sorry for you. Can I have your tickets?
Oh, completely forgot. Wait, I'll just find them. Here.
What was that? It tickles me so much. I can't stand it. I'm afraid of tickles.
Hey, calm down. He's watching.
What's the matter? Show me. Do you have a chameleon? You can't go with it. Oh, I'm sorry. So you're saying he can't walk?
It seemed to you.
Did you want to cheat? Cheaters! Wait. We have a rule. No animals.
Oh, man.
Oh no. I wanted to take a chinchilla so much.
Leave it here. It's not flying. Oh, another violation. And now you can come on in. Have a great flight.
I don't want to fly without my best friend. I came up with an idea. Down with a fishing vest. I'll bend the Panama hat. And I'll make a leash out of the fishing rod. I'll wear glasses for the blind and… Exactly. And I'll correct the photo in my passport. There it is. Here's a blind girl and her guide dog. I'm a master of transformation. Where's the plane?
Hey, wait! Oh, she's blind.
Yeah.
Do you have a ticket?
Of course, take it.
Let's see. It seems right. Okay. There's your passport and a ticket. Thank you. Come on in.
Oh no! Wait!
What? What was that? Isn't she blind?
What?
Oh, stop! You can't behave like that! No!
That's it. Leave the airport now.
Oh no!
Here are your documents. Let me compare you with the photos. Wow. What a beauty! This is the girl of my dreams! Wow! Oh my gosh!
Well, hello.
Hello?
Can I come in?
Oh, sure, just a minute!
Thank you. Have a nice flight. Oh, wow. Oh, Finally, I'm on the plane.
Oh, wow!
What? Oh, I'm on a plane, so we can get our pets.
Oh my god, what is this? Hamsters? Oh, bummer.
It's good that you're with me.
Have a good flight.
Am I late? Here's my ticket.
You're not late. The documents are fine, and what is that? Oh, don't you know the rules? Animals are not allowed.
Oh, what a shame. I know. Keep your head straight. Higher? No, lower.
What are you doing?
You look just gorgeous. I'm a famous photographer. Oh, can I take a picture of you?
Of course, wait a second. I'll just fix my tie.
Super. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
A flash in my eye!
Yes. Now we need to hurry up. Let's hide the kitten in the camera bag. Oh, don't worry. I'm not gonna leave you behind.
I've got it.
Like that.
Hey!
And this is for you. Bye. Oh, hurry up. It's time to take off. Are you here, baby? Oh, how happy I am. Congratulations on your first flight.
Oh, my vision is back. What? Where's the kitten? You can't do that. Wait. Whatever.
We'll bring you a magnet.
Each of us has a hubba bubba. Kimberly has the smallest one. I got an idea. I can inflate my little gum to the size of Phoebe's gum. A little more. Wow, how huge it is!
Kim, you should stop.
No way! Oh, it's flying away! It's back. And it's small again. Okay. Let's try this one. I can even inflate a bubble! How cool! Mary, your turn! Great, let's try it.
It looks delicious. I'm sorry, Kimberly. I won't share it with you. I'll put the whole thing in my mouth. How delicious!
Neat idea! Let's just cut Mary's gum ribbon and eat the rest while she's not looking.
What is that? Oh, Kim! You've eaten everything! It was my gum!
I'm sorry.
I know what to do. Bursting the bubble! You'll know how to steal.
Oh, Phoebe, it's your turn.
Great. I have a lot of gum because I got the biggest hubba bubba. Great. I want to get it all out. Oh, it's so long. I'm going to chew it for a very long time. Oh my gosh! This gum is enough for me for a whole year. Wow, Phoebe! We can't even see you!
I don't need help. Or you'll be stolen by a monster. Much better.
They believed it!
Oh no, spicy Takis! I'm actually happy with a small pack.
I have an average pack.
I have a huge pack. It's very spicy. I'm incredibly scared.
Kim, let's start with you.
Okay. Oh. Wait. The chip is actually… Oh! No! It's very spicy! There's fire! Oh, help me!
Of course! A mini fire truck with many firefighters!
I feel much better. Thank you, Mary. Well, it is Phoebe's turn.
Yeah, it's my turn. If Kim did it, I can do it too. Let's give it a try. Oh, it's delicious.
Oh, but very spicy. Oh, help!
Wow, that fire is huge. Let's put it out. Although, I can make myself popcorn.
Nice.
Mary, it's your turn. All right. I don't want to do that, but we need to get started. Maybe I'm better with spicy food than the girls. Oh, I feel bad already. Oh! Fire! Oh! What is that? Oh, it's chicken! Spicy food can be beneficial. Nice! Oh, what a small pack of Pokies. It's even sad.
Hooray! I got an average one.
And I have a huge pack. That's cool. It's the biggest one in the world. Well, I'll start. It's like for dolls. Oh. Wait! Hamster is eating my Pokie!
You can't do that! These are my goodies!
Okay. You're too cute. I can't be mad at you. Let me stroke you, my cute furry friend.
Well, it's time for me to start. I love these chocolate-covered sticks. I'm crazy about the taste. Wow, there's so many of them. It's incredibly delicious. Well, I ate it all. It's Phoebe's turn.
That's awesome. Well, let's try it soon. Oh, it's so heavy. I'll just eat it like that. It's fantastically delicious. I've always dreamt of Pokies this size. It suits me. Nice. Oh, it's falling. Whoa!
It almost fell on us. It was scary. But let's eat it together. How delicious!
I agree. I've never eaten anything better. Whoa! A huge bucket of popcorn! Great! And I have an average one. Look at that! Kim?
I have a little one again. Let's see what's inside.
Oh, there's only one grain there. How do I cook it?
Right. I have an Iron Man glove. I'll be able to cook a grain of popcorn with an ultra-powerful and hot beam. Oh! It worked! We need to catch it! Come on! Fly straight into my mouth! It's delicious! But there's nothing left. Phoebe, your turn!
Really? I want to make popcorn sooner. I'll make it in a frying pan. Putting it on the stove and waiting. It did not fit. That's much better. Well. Oh, we need to catch the lid. Caught it. Now let's try popcorn. It's so delicious. I really like it. And there's so much of it.
Yeah, maybe you want to share?
No, this popcorn is for me.
Oh. Wait! I have an Iron Man glove! I'll burn your popcorn!
What have you done? My popcorn is going to explode!
Oops. Oh, let's hide. Wow! So much popcorn!
It's true. Let's eat it! Yeah, let's do it!
Thank you, Mary! That's exactly what I needed!
I'm very happy myself.